Good morning, everyone. Today we are on our way to the Krka Waterfalls. So let's go. It is like 7:20 now, and we need to leave home in like 10 minutes to go catch a bus to get to Skradin to get to the waterfalls. So I'll see you as we're on our way to the bus, which is in like 10 minutes. We are on our way to the bus. We're going to be there like 5 minutes before it leaves, so hopefully they still let us on. It's like just over there, I think, though, so we should be fine. Jacob is like all the way back there behind me. Stress. I hate being late. If it was up to me, we'd be here half an hour ago. So. We have made it to Pisa, so we've got all of our stuff everywhere. We got in late last night at like 1 a.m. because, as you saw yesterday, we went to the beautiful Krka Waterfalls in Croatia, and that was just a lovely, beautiful day. Like, Jacob had already been to the Krka Waterfalls, but he took me there and I got to see it, and it was stunning. We had like a full day there. We got there at like 9:30 in the morning and didn't leave until 5. We went and walked around, and then we also like brought our picnic blanket so we could just relax for like half the day. We played some chess, had a really nice relaxing day, and then we caught another Flixbus from Skradin to Zadar, and then flew out from Zadar to Pisa last night. So it was all very quick. We only finished our Sail Croatia like a day ago, and now we're already in a completely different country. And as you can tell, I'm like a bit sick post the Sail Croatia, so that's fun, but it is what it is. It's like the 4th time I've probably been sick so far while traveling, so not ideal, but anyways, ignoring all of that, we are in Pisa today. We're only here for 1 day. We leave like just around midday-ish tomorrow. So the plan of attack for while we're here is just rest a lot. It's already like after lunchtime. We had a big sleep in today, which was definitely needed. I probably need more sleep, but that's okay. But yes, the main thing that I want to see today is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I've not seen it before. I've never been here before. Jacob was here for like 2 hours, I think, when he came on like his big European top deck tour. So yes, the main thing is for me to see the Leaning Tower of Pisa today, and I'm just very excited. Go get some food, go get some dinner. I'm keen for all of it. When we got in last night at like 1 a.m, like the town square was like full of like all these like young, like I assume uni students. I don't know if Pisa is like a uni student town or something, but it was crazy busy in the square last night. Hopefully if we go out tonight as well, like it'll be very lively and all of that, because that'd be really nice. Let's go.